Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Beyond Bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Beyond Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address beyondbank.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Beyond Bank. So let's wait for it. And over here guys, let's close this. In order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a login button available for us. Click on that login button, and on this interface guys, you'll be required to enter the member number of your account, of your Beyond Bank account, and after that enter your password guys. But if you have forgotten the password guys, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot your password. You click on that, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve or reset your account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your Beyond Bank's member ID and your password, which you had registered on Beyond Bank at the time of creating your account, click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Beyond Bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Beyond Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.